Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Thursday morning and I just got home from the grocery store. This haul is all from Price Chopper and the haul was $110. And I think I'm going to start on this side. You guys know I love this bread. It's the Nature's Own Perfectly Crafted white bread. I actually like the multi-grain one better, but I've been alternating getting the multi-grain and the white just because I do really like this, but I just like the other one better. But my son really likes this for like peanut butter and jelly and grilled cheese and all of that. So I got a loaf of this. I got some coleslaw mix. It's the shredded green cabbage, carrot, and red cabbage, but I actually don't use it for coleslaw. I actually saute it up as a side dish. You can add whatever you like to it, or you can just have it as a side dish. I actually think I have some beef kibasi downstairs in my deep freezer from like a meat market. So I think next week I'm gonna saute it up with some sliced beef kibasi and have like a little lunch with it. My husband is actually off work next week. He has the whole week off, which is really nice because he's got to get some things done around the house. We actually have specific things we need to do while Grady is at camp in the morning, and then next week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going camping with my family. So it's kind of a different haul, a lot of like produce and meats and things like that. And then next week's grocery haul, I don't even know if there is going to be one because again, I'm not going to be here Thursday night, Friday, Saturday not be home till Sunday. So I think I might do like a camping grocery haul maybe in the middle of the week. I'm not really sure yet, but there's probably not going to be a normal grocery haul next week. Just an FYI, it'll be something different. Price Chopper had all their berries mix and match, buy one get one, so you could choose between strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and I went with strawberries and raspberries. Again, they were buy one get one and they looked really good. I got a huge thing of broccoli. I think this is like 1.5 pounds broccoli crown. I don't know if I said bananas, but bananas. I got some herbs, some organic rosemary, as well as some organic basil to do some marinating and different things with those. I got a beautiful juicy mango. They were on sale for 89 cents. I got a large red pepper, a green pepper, an avocado, a couple large tomatoes. This is the hydroponic red buttered lettuce, which I'm going to use next week. Some Italian dressing. Don't judge, but I got the Lucky Charms because I saw the commercial for the unicorn marshmallow and really wanted to try it. This cereal is like an inside joke with my mom because me and my sister and my brother always wanted this cereal growing up and my mom would never buy it. She was like a very health food person. So it's always an inside joke now, like with my sister and my brother and I, whenever one of us eats this. But anyways, I haven't had this in forever and I wanted to try it. I actually don't drink milk, so I actually eat it dry, like a trail mix kind of thing, which I know that's kind of weird, but wanted to try that as like a little sweet guilty pleasure for myself. I got some Tricolor Rotini. I go through a ton of this in the summer for pasta salads, and I'm actually making one Wednesday for camping to bring up to the campsite. I got a 1/2 gallon of this is like a Price Chopper brand. It's the Full Circle organic whole milk. I decided to try it because it was $1.50 cheaper than the same size in the Stonyfield organic, which I normally get. I got some taco seasoning mix. These were on sale 2 for $3, so I got the Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar dipper pretzel and then the cracked black pepper parmesan dipper pretzels for my husband's lunches, even though again next week he'll be home. They're still good to use. I'll probably give him one tomorrow for lunch on Friday. I got some Jimmy Dean sausage to bring up to the campsite because we're going to do like a big potato sausage egg scramble for breakfast. I think there is 7 of us going to be camping, so this will go in one breakfast. This will all be gone, this whole thing. Gallon of water for the coffee maker, some golden crispy crowns, which my husband, my son, and I all like. Some iceberg lettuce, some of this Dietz and Watson brand buffalo style chicken breast, which is really good. The line at the deli was just way too long and I was going to get this at the deli, so I grabbed it next to the deli. And then I got a bunch of meats. So I got some cheese and garlic sausage links because I thought one day next week my husband and I could grill up these for lunch. I'll get some rolls, or I'll see what I have in my freezer for rolls, and I can just thaw something out. Because again, he's going to be home next week, so we're going to be needing lunch stuff for the week for home. I got some ground beef because I'm going to do taco salads for dinner one day next week before we leave for camping. I got a big thing of the party chicken wings. Usually I get the jumbo ones, which are when the 2 pieces of the wing are connected, but these are broken up, and we're going to throw these on the grill. I'm going to portion them out into like 2 or 3 different portions for 2 or 3 different meals. So this was a really good price. It was $7.77, and there is 3 pounds of wings here. I got a shrimp cocktail ring to bring camping. It was in the frozen section, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in the freezer. And then when we leave for camping, I'll throw it in the cooler, and then it'll thaw out, and we'll have it. It's like a little appetizer. Again, there's 7 of us going to be camping, so we need a good amount of food. I got some New York strip steaks. These are the boneless New York strip steaks. So I got 3 of them for $23 because our friend Justin is coming over either Friday or Saturday for dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and marinate these all up. Justin actually gave me $30 to get 3 steaks. So I did, and he told me whatever's left to get some herbs. He really liked when I did the rosemary, if you guys saw that What's for Dinner. So I grabbed some herbs and just other random stuff that I got earlier in the week, so that all went to good use for the money he gave me, which was super nice. And then I got a thing of English muffins, obviously for breakfast to have, and my son has been asking for English muffin pizzas lately. So yes, guys, this is everything I got. I'm going to show you my meal plan for part of the week next week because, again, we'll be gone camping for half the week, so just stay tuned if you want to see it. P.S. I cannot forget this. I don't know if you guys remember, you might if you've been watching for a while. I started talking about these last year, I think around football season. These are the best frozen pizzas I've ever tried. I don't do a whole lot of frozen pizza. Maybe like once a month we'll throw one in the oven. But usually I make my pizza with the Pillsbury pizza dough, as you guys have seen in the dinner videos. But if you guys are a fan of frozen pizzas, because I know sometimes you got to do what you got to do, try this one out, specifically the one that says crispy pan pizza. The edges of the pizza get really crispy like that, and they're delicious. So I got this again as like a little lunch option for next week for my husband, myself, and then when Grady gets home from camp, he can have a piece as well. All right, so next week, one night, I have a batch of my marinara sauce that I made a double batch of, I don't know, last month and froze it. So I'm just going to thaw that out, really quick dinner, and we're going to do some pasta with some kind of, maybe I'll grab like a nice fresh loaf of crusty bread. I'm going to do a veggie pasta bake one night. It's like a pesto flavored pasta bake, so that'll be my meatless night. I'm going to do taco salads with loaded nachos one night. I have a little note to make extra meat so Matt and I can have taco salads the next day. And then one night, I've been craving a Western omelet with like the peppers and the cheese and the ham. So I'm going to do Western omelets one night with some home fries. And then cut up fruit. I'll get some kind of melon or pineapple or something, and we'll do toast or bagel on the side. And then the rest of the week we'll be camping. So remember, guys, no normal grocery haul next week. I probably will do some kind of grocery related haul, probably for camping, because I'm in charge of bringing like a lot of the snacks and drinks for us. And there's going to be 7 of us total with my family, my sister, my brother. So anyways, I don't know what's up with exactly what day next week or whatever it'll be up, but something will be up. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.